Appreciate the efforts made by all the directors on the board, including our nominee directors of the institution and the independent directors in the last board meeting. Today we have a very important agenda. We are going to discuss about the purchase of our new machine, which is to be imported from Switzerland. The total budget is around 15 crores. And we have the present capacity of 100 bottles, which is not sufficient, or rather it's giving a lot of troubles going by the previous experience what we had.
I would like to ask the CFO, has this been budgeted for? I mean, has it in our annual budget, since it's a capital expenditure, have you provided for, or does this come up now? And one more percentage of the market you hope to
specific capital expenditure was not planned, but for an expansion, there was a provision for the expansion. So later on, finally we
this increase that you're planning, the 60% which you're saying that you will get out of this. Do you have any evidence? I mean, have you gone to the market, done any survey? Have you recruited any third party to do it so that we get a good assessment? I think
as you all know, this fiscal we just closed about 130 crores. Okay? That's only in the three states that we have been operating in. That's in Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. But going forward, we already have a lot of orders coming in other states as well, especially in the northern region.
Budget for capex of 15 crores. And we are saying that we will increase the market share, almost double our market share.
That's what I'm trying to tell you.
But there is no scope for or cost taken for the cost of advertising, marketing, etc. What is the impact on the cost of sales?
And Chairman, are we putting it on the basis of feelers? We can't be taking a decision.
We've done it.
One more important question I would like to ask is that you said that you are not budgeted for this kind of expense, and so I would like to know what is the time period you envisage that this particular machine will become functional, and when is the first time that how much time it will take for the first lot of product to go out, and also the manufacturing team.
I would like to add to that. Have your competitors doing something? Why you feel, since you're in any way going on a neck-to-neck basis with your competitors, I mean, have you got any intelligence that they are going to be doing some, taking it further?
A little bit of a light into the competitive analysis and the latest technological developments that we've observed in this space. First of all, we are aware that competition is actually looking at productivity enhancement of more than 20%.
Sure. I think you guys are bringing phenomenal questions in terms of why we should be taking this decision, just to understand the logic behind it. I think the thought process, if you look at just the numbers, that if instead of producing 100 bottles a minute, if you produce 200 bottles.
Everybody for the recent achievements that we've had, the number of awards that we've won, and especially to our independent directors who've been playing a very good role in sort of building our strategy as we move forward. With that, I'd like to highlight the agenda for today. We're going to discuss, apart from the minutes from the last meeting and the action items that were... Yeah.
You all have the papers with you. If you can just refer to the balance sheets and the cost-benefit analysis that has been presented to you. The first thing, agenda is, ma'am, with your permission, I will take the leasing and buying option. If you look at the NPV and IRR that we have presented,
existing business, whether it is required or have you stated that has not been spelled out in the papers circulated to us.
Right, sir. If you look at the industry situation, either we expand or we die.
Okay, permission.
There is no second option.
Just a second. Just to bring, could you please speak up? I think you had something to say.
Yeah.
we're talking about cost of leasing and all of that, this is all fine, but, have you done an analysis really about, with this additional capacity, are you actually going to get the number of people to fly? What is the demand situation really?
We have a 30% market share, and all our seating capacity is full. And by going for the new routes, for which we are going for these agreements, it's definitely we are going.
We just mentioned that we will be increasing the number of first and business class. And existing airlines, the first and business class number is very limited. And there is a lot of demand from corporate who fly business class. So we feel by bringing in more aircraft, by bringing in more seats on each sector and each route, we will not only be able to...
We are not, the papers which were circulated around this don't have enough information for us to make that call between buying and leasing, which is the decision under question. As I see, you have already budgeted to add 8 new aircrafts this year. So I don't think we are questioning the need to add aircrafts, the need to add capacity, the routes. So
to inform the cost benefit analysis, per passenger cost, market survey, what is the market rate, market cost, whether we are offering still better than them, whether what are the benefits that we are going to extend. The additional inclusion of these 3 aircrafts, whether is going to really benefit our CBT.
Yeah, this was said, it's like a suggestion. The company from we are going to lease the aircrafts, if you could have multiple options, that would really help, because the aircraft company which is in question regarding the lease time, it has already got some issues in terms of their failures. So if you could provide more information.
Obviously, Boeing, we will have to replicate all our maintenance cost and our spare parts cost.
Because we have to move to a very critical item on the agenda as well. What I would propose is, with the permission of the board members, is that we call at another extraordinary board meeting, maybe within a week or within the next 10 days' time.
Of making a flight with our lower budgeted fares. Yeah, I request you to make it true with your presentation.
Yeah, we would like to inform you that by acquiring this low-cost airliner, we would be make with our own brand, with a better service. We can make it more affordable for this thing, and the entire existing staff and crew, along with the aircrafts, we will be getting immediately, which will take at least a year or 2 years to get in the market.
So presently, our business strategy is differentiation, because we are a premium brand. So with acquisition of a low-cost airline, are we changing that particular strategy? What is the impact of that to our existing business?
We are looking at, as a premium brand, should we be acquiring this? First and foremost, as a premium, we already have 70%. But then this low-cost airliner is becoming popular, because as you all know, a low budget ultimately is what decides. Money is what ultimately, the decision is taken for going for this aircraft or that based on the cost of it.
Just to getting into the low-cost airline, I think we are just getting another airline in the industry. The premiumness which people see towards us, that is something which we may lose, and brand equity which we have generated or established over the period, I think that will be at stake. We would like to have analysis of if at all a company like us or a brand like us would like to get into get an entry into such market, will that really sustain?
You said we are a premium brand. Now what do people see us? They see us providing quality, providing comfort, providing timely service when they travel, with a cost attached to it. If we provide the same comfort at a lower class, then do you think our branding will be diluted? No.
I think the leasing and the acquisition of the low-cost airliner are different time frame questions. Please bear that in mind. Because when you want to build capacity and you are acquiring leasing airlines, it is not something which is for the immediate future. The delivery timelines itself are going to be after 18 months.